Hey guys, you're here for another installment from Force 15. So we're here for update 1 on Hurricane Matthew as of 1800 UTC on the 30th of September 2016. Storm's location at 13.6 degrees north, 71.3 degrees west, with winds of 120 miles per hour and a pressure of 960 millibars, movement west-southwest at 12 miles an hour. So we know graphics or any sort of intensity forecast or anything on this update. This is just to update you on the latest advisory. This is just due to time constraints, as I do have to go out. Time of recording is 1900. I have to be out the door within the next 20 minutes. So Hurricane Matthew now intensifying now with winds of 120 miles an hour, Category 3 on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Full update to come later, a little bit later as well, guys. At approximately 1000 UTC, 2200 UTC. So about 11 o'clock tonight. There'll be another update when the 21Z comes through as well. And then we'll see if the storm has intensified to a Category 4. Interests that lie in Jamaica, Cuba, and also in the northern coast of the South Americas as well. On the coast of Brazil, the storm has sort of passed the Brazilian coast there. Also Venezuela, and also in northern parts of Colombia as well. Must be watching out for this system. Also interest in the Cayman Islands in Cuba, and also in the Bahamas and Turks and Caicos Islands, all the areas there. Also Florida as well. Any interests that do lie in those areas must take heed of warnings, and also watch the storm's progress as this story does develop. And also up the eastern seaboard as well, possibly as well. We have been seeing forecast models as well, possibly reaching out up to Category 5 when the recent models a couple of days ago, when it was still an invest out in the Atlantic, they did forecast a Category 5 hurricane there. So we're just going to have to wait and see how this story does play out. We may be looking at a Category 4 landfall on Jamaica, or even on Cuba, possibly as Category 4, or maybe even a Category 5, though it's too early to tell yet what intensity the storm will make landfall as. And looking at the wind shear though ahead of the storm, it is quite unfavourable for tropical cyclone development ahead of the storm, unless the wind shear does start to diminish. The storm may now be heading into wind shear in excess of 30 to 40 knots, but then it's clear once it passes the Bahamas, wind shear is diminishing in those areas, but we may just have to see how this plays out. But anyway, that's all from me now. Thank you guys for watching. This is Force 15 signing off.